Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This is Chuck from Chuck's Mechanical. Hope you're having a good holiday season here. Listen, if you're in the Chicagoland area and you're tired of getting screwed over by people who are charging you outrageous rates or not fixing it the first time, you can call me at 847-361-7655. 847-361-7655. Chuck and Chuck's Mechanical. Today's call is a client of mine who lives in Park Ridge. Her husband has recently passed away, RIP. He was a good friend of mine. And now she's left for the holidays, but somebody's still at the house, and they have a no heat situation. Smells like, I think she said it smells like rotten eggs, but it still heats, but she didn't feel safe, so she turned it off. So we're on our way there now. Check it out, and we'll see what's going on. All right, here's the furnace. Just started it up. Let's see if we got any codes. Blinking yellow light. Oh, I can smell it. Smell too that she's talking about. I think it might be coming from here. That was uneventful. Nothing wrong with the furnace. I think it was just the floor drain. The 1.5-inch drain on the floor. I think the trap dried out. And yeah, it was just sucking the sewer gases into the house. I mean, what are you gonna do? That was an easy one. All right, well, short video this time. I was hoping to get better content for you guys, but it is what it is. Chuck with Chuck Mechanical, signing out.